Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Today is Sunday, July 7, 2024, and it's the day of the monkey. Best color, floral, stripes, prints and patterns. Activities: use your car, visit the place, or ride on a bus. You can also visit a shopping mall or a supermarket. Monkey is male, young, metal, Qian, Qian, and its color is white. The compatibility of monkey with the rooster, metal form, both male and female, are united or very solid. Ang ating araw po ngayon ay araw ng Linggo, 7 ng Hulyo 2024, araw ng Unggoy. Pinakamagandang kulay ang bulaklakin, kung hindi yung guhit-guhit. Sa araw na ito, maganda ang mag-drive o di kaya sumakay ng bus. Ang monkey nga ay katuwang ng rooster. Pareho silang metal. Babaeng metal ang rooster, lalaking metal naman ang monkey. Napakatibay at napakagandang pagsasama o partnership ang dalawang yan. Kumbaga, ang lifespan nila ay mahaba, lalo na nga kung mag-asawa yan.